Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Komal here again, and I really hope you like my previous videos. I really hope you're eating well, sleeping well, and spreading a lot of positive vibes, spending time with your family, your pets, and your loved ones. जो आज का टॉपिक है, it's about word, WORD, the power of word. What are words? Words are the affirmations that you use every day. कुछ बातें हैं जो आप रोज बोलते हो while you are in the मंदिर, गुरुद्वारा, मस्जिद, जहाँ पे भी आप चाहते हो. Those affirmations and the affirmations that you use when you're talking to someone, अपने loved one के साथ या अपने उस person के साथ जिसके साथ अपनी problem share करते हो, maybe your therapist. You know, जो वर्ड्स होते हैं, वर्ड्स के अंदर इतनी ज्यादा पावर होती है, आप वो समझोगे नहीं until you start observing and opening your mind. What you say is what you attract. Simple as that. ये कोट बहुत पुराना है, but unfortunately we are living in the world where people are not focusing on these kind of things. They don't want to, you know. They think that कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, जैसे मर्जी बोल सकते हैं, and nobody is listening. You heard that thing जब छोटे होते थे कि धीरे बोलो, दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं. Since I've grown up, I feel like it's not what they mean when they say diwar. They mean universe. They mean the energies that are around you, whether positive, negative. तुम एक word निकालो, they will listen it and then they act on it. When I say they, it means the energies. भगवान लगा लो, जिसका मर्जी नाम ले लो, भोलेनाथ लगा लो. Let's say you're sitting in the मंदिर, भोलेनाथ के आगे आप प्रे कर रहे हो, आप बोल रहे हो कि I'm really thankful for everything, पर ये अच्छा नहीं है, वो अच्छा नहीं है, आप कंप्लेनिंग कर रहे हो, बहुत ज्यादा कंप्लेनिंग कर रहे हो. You show yourself as a grateful person for sure, and you are inside your heart, you are. No, एक ये चीज होती है कि हम सोचते हैं कि इंसान बुरे हैं, ये बुरा है, वो. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, nobody is बुरा. खुद खुद को सोच के देखो कि डू यू थिंक यूर बुरे? नहीं, आप बुरे नहीं हो. You're trying your best to make people happy. You're trying your best to make yourself happy. You're trying your best to make the universe happy. Nobody is बुरा. But चक्कर ये हो जाता है कि situations ऐसी हो जाती हैं, betrayals ऐसे हो जाते हैं. मैंने अपनी पिछली वीडियो में बताया कि how betrayal works and how the selfishness comes in the people. लोग how people shift from being kind to just being selfish and being annoyed. ये बहुत चीजें होती हैं. But it all depends on situations. It's all situations, it's all the experiences that they had. And at one point, the person just stopped trusting. They stop trusting, they lose the hopes, and then that's the time when they start using all the negative words. बंदा चाहे कितना ही अच्छा हो अपनी पिछली लाइफ के अंदर, past 5 years, but once they start facing that life of betrayals, एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं पूरी होनी, किसी के साथ कोई धोखाधड़ी हो गई, कुछ हो, they start using negative words. They start using things like कि I have this पर मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए, I have this मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए, या भगवान का दिया सब कुछ है बट मेरे पास ये नहीं है. और when you know someone who is earning really really well and they still keep on complaining, कि मेरे पास ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, except the love. I keep the love outside of the context when it comes to these kind of videos or these kind of well-beings. I feel like love is not what you make, is what you invite. आपको create करना पड़ता है. Love is something that you just have to create by yourself. It just does not work the simple way. Anyways, तो words हैं जो बहुत wisely choose करा करो, बहुत wisely choose करा करो. Let me tell you this thing. How about after today, you get up every day and you tell yourself, or maybe just write down, कोई vision board होगा, कोई copy pen होगा, कोई phone होगा, notes होंगे आपके phone के ऊपर. Just wake up and say yourself, I'm happy, I'm healthy, and I'm grateful. How simple is that? दुनिया में दो तरीके के वर्ड्स होते हैं, एक पॉजिटिव, एक नेगेटिव, सबको पता है. When you have the right and when you have the power to choose the positive, why would you choose negative? Why would you choose negative? कभी सुबह उठ के ऐसे बोलोगे हाय यार मेरी आंख क्यों खुल गई आज? Why I'm happy? Why I'm healthy? मैं unhealthy क्यों नहीं? Has somebody ever even wished for an unhealthy body? No, nobody wishes for it. वो अलग बात है कि जब unhealthy body आ जाती है, there are circumstances, there lack of attention, there is lack of diet, so many things, so many factors, but कोई भी उठ के, as far as I know, कोई भी उठ के ये चीज नहीं विश करता है कि मुझे unhealthy body मिल जाए. I do understand people who are coming from suicidal thoughts. I do understand people who are trying to self harm. वो वो टॉपिक बिल्कुल डिफरेंट हो गया इस चीज से. But if you're a regular person, your life is good, your life is smooth, you're earning as much as you want, और इतना भी अर्न करने हो और अर्न कर रहे हो कि you're able to eat every day, you're able to eat 3 meals, you're able to live under a roof, you're able to wear nice clothes. As long as you have this, start practicing and start telling yourself that you're healthy. Start telling yourself I look beautiful. Start telling yourself my hair are healthy. Start telling yourself my skin is smooth. Why to choose negative words when you can choose the positive words? तुम्हें पता है वर्ड्स के अंदर इतनी ज्यादा पावर होती है that if you say it out, the thing is gonna happen. If you say it out, the thing is gonna happen. There was one of the ancient studies जिसमें एक बंदे ने 21 दिन के लिए ऐसा बोला था कि 21 दिन के बाद after the 22nd day at 11 a.m. I am gonna die, and he did died. वो क्यों मरा? क्योंकि वो एक दिन से लेके 21 दिन तक he was just thinking about his death. He was just wishing about his death. He was just attracting all those words that were related to death. और हैरान नहीं होना इस चीज पे कि ये कैसे पॉसिबल हो गया. You invited those things yourself. You know, you said those things yourself to universe. तो जब आप भगवान से कोई चीज मांगोगे और you ask something from universe is gonna give you. Regardless, universe is gonna give you. Think of this thing. You have been brought to this world for a reason. कुछ रीजन होगा, that's why you are alive. कुछ रीजन होगा कि आप कोविड के टाइम से निकल के you're still alive. कुछ तो रीजन होगा why you're still alive, why God chose you to give you the heartbeat, to give you the pulses, to give you the brain, to give you the legs and the arms to walk every day and talk every day. अगर अगर ऐसा कोविड में कितने लोगों की जान गई है, यू नो दैट. हेल्दी टू हेल्दी, अनहेल्दी टू अनहेल्दी, बहुत लोगों की जान गई है. इन 2025 you're still alive means you have something, you have something to do. you know कुछ कुछ तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होंगी यूनिवर्स की तरफ से, that there that the God is still keeping you alive for some reasons. नहीं तो you know how easy for a human is to lose the hopes. So next time if you say something, say it wisely. Think about it. Think about it before saying it. When you wake up, just put hands on your shoulder, on your heart, on your head, and say that I'm very lucky that I woke up today. I'm very lucky that I'm able to see. I'm very lucky that I'm able to see my pet. I'm very lucky that I am coming back on my office chair and I'm coming back on my table and sitting and making the videos again, spreading the kindness, spreading the positive messages again. you know you you know how bad and quick the changes are. It doesn't take long, it just takes a blink of an eye, and boom, the change happened. So whatever time you have, maybe make a good use of it and enjoy the life and choose the words wisely. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you the next one.